still saying it. I'm still saying it again. That leave Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The sin that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu committed in Nigeria, and the sin that Nigerian politicians have committed, two of them, which one will pass? All the Nigerian politicians, 99 or 100% of them, their hand filled with the blood. Ask me who are the people that are sponsoring Boko Haram yes men. Do you know how many Christians that these people have been slaughtered in Nigeria? Do you know how many soldiers and police that these people have been slaughtered in Nigeria? Do you know how many Nigerians that these Boko Haram yes men have been slaughtered in this country called Nigeria? Do you know how many people? All these politicians that their hands full with blood, all the NSAS protests, who are the people that gave order to slaughter the innocent people in Lekki Gate? Who are the people? And you people are condemning him because he said that he need Biafra, because he said that he want Igbos to have freedom in this country called Nigeria. May God Almighty judge all the Nigerian politicians that are condemning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because all of you akuna adrocha, akuna jupta nobala. But God Almighty, who created heaven and earth, will judge all of you. You are persecuting him, you are blessing him, because he is from the tribe called Igbo in this country called Nigeria. You think that nobody will speak for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but let me tell you, if nobody will speak for him, God Almighty will speak for him. If the Britain, United Kingdom will not speak for their citizens, God Almighty will speak for him. When God will say yes, who will say no? When God stands by your side, who will be against you? Nobody. I'm telling the Nigerian government, Nigerian politicians, they should leave this man, let this man go.